Teaser women, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. There's a Lexus Beauty here in an 1831 Ford Model A 5-window coupe. Hubba hubba. Bikini Honey here in an 1841 Plymouth Custom. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Caesar Fox here in a 1951 Kaiser Business Coupe. Wowzer. Delicious looking female here in a 1961 Ford Falcon sedan delivery hot rod. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show, folks. Thanks for watching.